How to permanently delete iPhone call history. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can delete your iPhone call history permanently. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step is you might want to update your iOS to the latest version. So let's do that. Head over to the Settings app. After you're on the Settings app, scroll down till you see General. Tap on General. Then head over to Software Update. If you find any kind of software update available like this, simply tap on Update Now and then update your app. After you've done that, you will then need to head over to your App Store. To your phone's app. Then come to this recent section right here. After you're on the recent section, tap on the top left corner that says Edit. After you do that, you will then need to press on Select. After you press on Select, you will see an option that says Clear on the top right. Tap on Clear and then confirm it by pressing Clear All Recents. After you press on it, all of your recent contacts will have been cleared and your iPhone's call history is cleared as well. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.